First, calculate left and right. Then actually I have else case is there's no child. I'm checking if left child is the last one. Then if left child, so actually the side is left, right? Because left child is the last one. If left child is the last one, that means it's only alone. Then there's no right child. You just compare with this K means a parent. Compare with the parent, and if it's necessary, swap. This is the last case, ending case, so you don't have to go more. But if you have a right child, so if a right child is less than or equal to size, because I'm going to send the size as length of array minus 1. So last index number. So if the right side is right child is there, then you are going to compare left child and right child. So if left child is greater than or equal to right, you choose left. Else, you choose right as a maximum child or largest child index number. So this one is actually have index number. Then you are going to compare with the parent and maximum child. If a parent is smaller, you are going to do two things: swap and heap down from the current index that is a maximum child. So let's follow with that again. B, left and right is now 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then left is not size, so skip. Right is less than or equal to size. 3 is less than or equal to size because the size is 10. Yeah, this is true. Now compare left and right values, 2 and 3, E and D. Then E is bigger, so max C will have 2. Now compare array K is actually 1. Then array 1 and array 2. Then array 2 is bigger, so swap K and array 2. So K and array K and max child. So swap those two, 1 and 2. Then heap down again with this change the array with maximum child number. That means 2 is passed. The size is still 10. So I'm going to redo again now. This time K is 2, size is still 10. Then left child now becomes 4, right child becomes 5. I'm going to check. Left is not size, so right is still less than size. That's true. So you are going to check 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 will be compared. Then D is bigger. So max child will have now 5. Then you are going to compare with K2 and max child 5. 5 is bigger. So you are going to swap index 2 and index 5. So it becomes D, it becomes B. Then you are going to pass 5 as a max child to the next heap down. Size is still 10. Now you are going to check. Now K is red one. K is now 5. Size is still 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So left is now 10. Right is now 11. Left equals 7. Yes, this is true. So you are going to check K and left. If you see here, this is not true. That means you do nothing. Then get out of this method. So it's done.